Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a couple of you have asked me a simple question. Would there be anything positive about having Windows 12, come up in the next couple of years? I've mentioned already that Windows 12 is a thing. That is for sure, that we knew at some point it would happen. How fast, that's another story. And maybe it's happening faster than we actually expected. I didn't think that Windows 12 would be the thing before many more years than now. But if they return to a 3-year cycle, that means, okay, they're going to have it by 2024 to have that 3 years with Windows 11. What positive side I could see to Windows 12? Well, it could be positive. Honestly, it could be positive. And one of the ways that it could be positive is to fix some of the things that are wrong in Windows 11. So Windows 12 could fix the start menu, make it better. It might still be in the center with the start button like this. I would expect Windows 12 to maybe be like that also. But to have it really in a way that you can customize it the way you like, send it back to the left if you want, have an app list like we used to, that is there, that stays there. These are all things that I think some people actually do miss quite a lot. So there are positive points if they do fix what's wrong with Windows 11. I would think Windows 12 would be a fixed Windows 11. It would be a Windows 11 with what everybody might have complained about or want, or that's missing, that is going to be added with time. That would be a positive point. For Microsoft, I think the positive side of having Windows 12 is to fix the negativity around Windows 11 also. And now that's interesting because a big chunk of the negativity has much more to do with unsupported hardware than anything else. Most people I see on Windows 11 have told me that they kind of like it, and there are things that are missing, or maybe certain things should be changed. But there's not that many people that I see that actually don't like it. When they move on, they're like, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Now, the negativity comes really with everybody going crazy over their computer not being able to update unless you want to update and be unsupported. And it still works, but, there's that not understanding why my PC that works fine cannot go to Windows 11 is kind of weird. And I totally understand that. It's like in the past. If you guys remember, a long time ago when we had to have PCs almost every 2 years because technology was going so fast that it was obsolete real fast. Feels like that now with Windows 11. So I don't think they're going to reverse the minimum requirement, but I don't think they're going to make it worse. I see a lot of comments of people saying, well, that minimum requirement is going to be so up there that... No, I don't think so. I think Windows 12, I think they're just going to say, no, the minimum requirement is going to stay the same. That's how it's going to be. And we're just going to, have new computers. And, say it comes out in 2024. The number of new computers around that will be compatible, plus 2024 will be a year off of Windows 10 being out. And, of course, depending on how many years it actually exists, maybe it could be or become the dominant system. So that would be maybe a positive point in a way that it's not, people are not going to forget the fact that they couldn't get up to date to Windows 11 because of unsupported hardware. But somehow, moving on with the years and having Windows 12 just stay there with the same minimum requirements is somehow going to kind of fade away, if you want. Because, it's obvious that people have a pretty short memory of a lot of things. And at some point with new PCs, and somebody's going to buy a new PC and it's not going to be mad anymore because that new PC will be compatible. And so Windows 12 could technically be a winner in what Windows 11 is missing in the spot. And it could, of course, improve on so many things. So there could be a positive side to having Windows 12, definitely. But Microsoft will need to really make it really, really good, and not push something that feels unfinished. Take the time to do it right. Take the time to add or change the things that people complain about. Maybe you could get a winner with Windows 12. Maybe people will want to move on to Windows 12. That's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.